This is an introduction to the GEON Scrubgrubber, a brand new concept in the removal of invasive and unwanted woody scrub. The GEON Scrubgrubber is an implement which mounts on the front loader or three-point hitch of an agricultural tractor, a compact tractor, skid steer, backhoe, excavator or similar machine. The primary function of the Scrubgrubber is to remove nuisance woody scrubs such as gorse, blackthorn, whitethorn and briars. The Scrubgrubber achieves this by gripping the woody stems of the scrub near the base and lifting them up by the roots. The problem of controlling unwanted and invasive species of scrub is a universal one, and in many countries removal of the scrub such as gorse has a national impetus. Various methods are employed to facilitate removal and control of these species, including mulching, spraying with chemicals, burning, cutting with saws and slashers, and digging out. In many cases, the removal methods can also inadvertently assist with the propagation of the species by air layering and seed dispersal. The GEON Scrubgrubber offers an alternative and environmentally friendly method for the mechanical removal of these invasive or nuisance scrubs. Primarily, the device removes the scrub by extraction and also removes a substantial amount of the root material, depending on the ground conditions. The extracted scrub can then be removed from site for further treatment, such as chipping and composting, bioextrusion or energy production in gasification boilers, particularly for the viable species such as gorse. The Scrubgrubber method results in minimal damage to the underlying ground, and the removal of the material can help prevent acidification of the underlying soil, allowing the desired species of native plants or grasses to gain control of the cleared area with minimal requirements for a follow-up treatment. Furthermore, the machines required to operate the Scrubgrubber can be quite small in comparison to large mulching machines and mechanical diggers, and will require less of an energy input and may also allow access to less tractable areas. As the Scrubgrubber is a benign method of removal, small animals, insects and other fauna have an opportunity to escape without injury during the removal process. It is important that the fork is held level, in contact with or slightly above the ground when engaging the scrub. Once the tines have engaged the Scrubgrubber can be lifted or tilted backwards for tougher vegetation, and the scrub is then ripped from the ground, often with the root crown and a substantial amount of root material. This can then be deposited in a pile or in a suitable trailer for removal from site for further treatment such as chipping or composting.